Well, hello random YouTube people. I have found an awesome car accessory and I wanted to show it to you. It's the Slim Track dash bracket from Tackform. This particular one for my vehicle mounts behind the infotainment system and you can have phone mounts and a lot more. Let me show you all about it right after this. Subscribe. I spent more time than I'd care to admit trying to find a good phone holder for my car. Then I stumbled upon this. This is a high quality, well-made product and you can do whatever you want along this track. For now, I'm just going to put in a phone holder, but I wanted to show you Tackform's website. You can build your own brackets, you can do MagSafe mounts, you can do tension mounts for your iPhone, you can even do things like GoPro and dash cams, you can do things for your iPad, CB radio, so many things you can do with this awesome track. Now let's go ahead and show you how to install it. Here I am in my 2024 Kia Telluride, and you can see this particular one will mount behind the infotainment center. You can see there's already a cover plate here anyways, so we may as well turn it into an awesome track with this Tackform bracket. In the kit, you're provided with a trim removal tool. We're just going to take one end of that and start prying off the old cover plate. As you go along, you might feel like you're going to break this, but don't worry, it's meant to come off. Just take your time and go slow with the trim removal tool. And here we go, we've disconnected all of the tabs and now it will just lift right on off. And this is where the new bracket is going to be installed. And here's just a better look at the underneath of that older bracket. You can see there are several tabs that you need to unhook. Okay, now let's get on to installing the new bracket. So next comes this little metal piece that has these little clip areas on the underneath side. So you can't just set it on there. You actually have to take out that little bolt right there and this one over here. And then it's going to slide underneath here. And then you tighten the bolt back down. You can get to the bolt with that hole, but it might be a little tricky, especially to get this on camera. So here I go with a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm just going to loosen the screws, but not take them all the way off. One side loose, now onto the other side. Now the hook part of those brackets is going to go underneath those screws that we just untightened. It's going to take a little bit of persuasion, but they will slide right underneath. The right side is a little bit caught, so I'm going to push just a little more firmly, and there we go. You can see it kind of just flattened out. Now we're going to get our screwdriver and tighten up those screws that we just loosened. There are these two holes we can put the screwdriver right down in and just tighten it up. And the right side. And there we go. That's all you need to do to install the bottom bracket portion. Now comes the Tackform track. So you're just going to set right on top, and you can see there's these little screw holes for an Allen head wrench type screw. Those of course come in the kit along with an Allen head wrench itself, and we're just going to line up those holes with the bracket and screw down the screws. It's really that easy. Screw 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there we go. This new track bracket is already looking way nicer than what was there before. And now on to installing my phone mount for this bracket. So there's this nice groove cut in this piece of metal, and there's a little opening where you're going to put your trackball. Let's check out our setup again. So there's the trackball on the right, and this has a little piece of metal that's going to fit in the groove on the track. And then you have a dual socket arm. And lastly, the phone cradle. I chose the spring tension version as I have a thicker case for my iPhone. I wanted to do the MagSafe version, but I have a case that has credit cards inside, and you really can't do MagSafe with that. First, we're going to take that trackball and line up the bottom so that it goes through this little opening here, and then you spin it so that the silver bracket is the other way, and then you can slide it back and forth on the track. Once the trackball is in the position you want, you can tighten that Allen head bolt on the top, but I don't know where I want this quite yet, so I'm going to leave it loose. Next comes that dual socket arm. Loosen the wing nuts on the socket till it slides right on top of this ball. All right, looking good. Now comes the iPhone cradle portion. You need to loosen the top socket wing nut now. That should do it. Now keep in mind this is much easier to do when you don't have a phone in your other hand and you're trying to record the whole thing. But here we go, putting the phone mount into the socket. And just start tightening it up. Now you're going to have to sit and play with this and get it the way you want, and the positions the way you want, and the angles the way you want. And that's completely up to you. I'm going to push it all the way to the left so that my phone is in the dead space in the screen below it. All right, off camera, I went ahead and moved the wing nuts onto one side, and I moved the whole bracket and tightened it down until it was in the position that I wanted it to be. Now let's go ahead and see what it looks like with the car on. And you can see I put it over that little dead space in the screen where there is nothing. And that's going to be really nice because it's not going to interfere with anything that I'm doing while driving. And you can't tell from this angle, but when you're driving, the phone sits lower than the hood, so I'm not blocking any of my viewing space out the front window. And there you go. You can add more pieces to this track. I could put something next to it if I wanted to, but right now we're just doing the phone. And I love this tension bracket. It holds it on very firmly. I am very pleased with this Tackform track bracket.
And if this video has helped you out, help me out. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, comment, and most importantly of all, subscribe.
Subscribe.